Hello all, I am Dr. D.S. VZK Kaladar. Let us see about COVID-19 and insight into research for beginning to end. The COVID-19 Wave 1 Introduction. Viruses are organisms that straddle the threshold between living and non-living organisms. They lack several essential features of all life forms and reproduce by taking over the genetic machinery of the host cells. The release of viruses from host cells results in the spread of many infectious diseases in both plants and animals. Viruses are submicroscopic, obligate intracellular parasites. The origin and subsequent evolution of viruses are shrouded in mystery, in part because of the lack of a fossil record. The first fossil record which is available is hieroglyph from Memphis, Egypt 3700 BC folio. The living and non-living characters of viruses. The living characters. They reproduce at fantastic rate but only in living host cells. They can mutate. They can cause infections and diseases. Non-living characters. They are acellular, that is, they contain no cytoplasm or cellular organelles. They carry out no metabolism on their own and must replicate using the host cell's metabolic machinery. They possess DNA or RNA, but never both. Physical properties of coronaviruses. The molecular size is around 60 to 220 nanometer. It is approximately 30,000 base pairs with 400 into 10 power of 6 Daltons. The morphology is helical. Sedimentation coefficient is 300 to 500 sediment. Buoyant density is around 1.15 to 1.19 gram per centimeter cube in sucrose. pH stability is at 3. Thermal stability, it is heat inactivation or sensitive to heat. Cation stability in magnesium or manganese, relatively stable. Solvent stability, the sensitive to form aldehydes and oxidizing agents. Detergent stability, that is sensitive to non-ionic detergents. Irradiation stability, also they are sensitive. Biochemical properties of coronaviruses. The coronaviruses contains proteins, nucleic acids, lipid envelope, enzymes, carbohydrates, polyamines and cations. The proteins are enveloped nucleocapsid, core proteins and enzymes. Nucleic acids are monopartite, linear single-stranded RNA, positive sense, genome of 27 to 32 kilobase pairs in size, the largest of rRNA viruses. The lipid envelope is sensitive to organic solvents. The structure of SARS-CoV-2 will be like this, which contains membrane glycoproteins, nucleocapsid phosphoprotein, spike glycoprotein, several ORFs, envelope protein, and also the linear single-stranded RNA. SARS-CoV-2. Severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2 or SARS-CoV-2 is a novel coronavirus that was spread to more than 200 countries all around the world, already taken on pandemic proportions. A novel coronavirus has resulted in an ongoing outbreak of viral pneumonia in Wuhan, China, due to patient history on January 23 traveled from the epidemic center of Wuhan. The spread of the coronavirus disease 2019 or COVID-19 spread by SARS-CoV-2 was become unstoppable in several countries during the month of April or May 2020 in wave 1 where millions of people are infected and died due to COVID-19. Statistics of SARS-CoV-2. The medical doctors, health systems and security systems like police and army has met this COVID-19 with unprecedented challenge. The containment measures implemented in China have reduced new cases by more than 90%, which is not the case in other countries like US, UK, Italy, India, Iran, etc. In Italy, mean age of those who died was 81 years and more than two-thirds of these patients had diabetes, cardiovascular diseases or cancer or were former smokers. The patients who died 42.2% were aged 80 to 89 years, 32.4% were aged 70 to 79 years, 8.4% were aged 60 to 69 years, and 2.8% were aged 50 to 59 years. The male to female ratio is 80% to 20% with an older median age per woman. An aggressive approach needs to be taken with patients who are critically ill with SARS-CoV-2, often including ventilator support. About 80% deaths are reported in patients under ventilators. Phylogeny of SARS-CoV-2. More than 16,000 complete and partial genomes of bat outgroup SARS-CoV-2 are available in GISAID, that is Global Initiative on Sharing All Influenza Data database. The phylogenetic methods with analyzing conserved sites can predict the probability and severity of the cause, spread, and control measures of the disease. Many research groups all around the world are been working on mechanism of invading and controlling activity of coronavirus on human cells. The research goals on COVID-19 makes people to understand solutions of decreasing effects of virus along with drug and vaccine development. The phylogenetic tree has shown that most of the SARS-CoV viruses are related to rat-CoV, bat coronavirus, mink coronavirus, and ferret coronavirus. The coronavirus is not related to HIV and chikungunya virus. Reasons of COVID-19. The viruses affect as viral fevers whenever there is the changes in temperature and climate. The control of viral fevers will be dependent based on the immunity and human molecular and physical factors like smoking, drinking, exercises, eating healthy foods, etc. Coronaviruses are the large group of infectious viruses that affect the respiratory tract. The progression may be associated with extreme increase in inflammatory cytokinins like IL-2, IL-7, IL-10, MCP-1, GCSF, IP-10, MIP-1A, and TNF-alpha. The research was previously supports that bats are responsible for COVID-19 transmission. Wuhan city and several countries have 5G network with several radiations like mobile radiation. The mobile data has electromagnetic spectrum that includes microwaves, visual light, and X-rays. The virus is originated in the seafood market from Wuhan, China. Links to be due to eating infected bats or maybe cosmogenic particles. The exact reason have to be investigated in future. Conclusions. Advanced mobile technology may lead to the mutations in viruses, which emerges the new viruses like COVID-19. Most of the research and treatments are not on medicines but rather concentrated on vaccines. There may be also a lead to drug-resistant microbial dominance in future on humans. These are the references. Thank you.